once again to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys 3 best side hustle that you can do in order to earn extra money every day. Okay, yes, so this thing that I'm going to show you doesn't matter whether you are working, whether you are a worker or you are a student or you don't do anything. Whether you are not doing anything, you can just use this in order to get extra money every day. So the first thing that I'll talk about, the first site that I'm going to show you, or the side hustle that I'm going to show you, is through YouTube. YouTube is one of the best platform, one of the best side hustle that can get you money every day. Every day you'll be generating or you'll be getting money from YouTube when you get monetized. But even if you are not, you have a YouTube channel and yet you are not monetized, still you can get a lot of money from YouTube. Because for instance, I started YouTube and my channel was not even up to 1K subscribers, but I got some promotion to do. I promoted some site and then crypto website, and I was able to raise $100 from my YouTube channel whilst my channel was not monetized. So if you want to come to YouTube, you want to create channels on YouTube and start making videos on YouTube, don't think only on monetization, because there are other ways that you can make money. For instance, if you're a fashion designer, if you know how to do dreadlocks, if you know how to create things with your hand, that is, you have a skill that you want to show on social media platform. If you design something and you upload it on YouTube, definitely more customers are going to call you and you'll be able to get more money from this platform. So aside monetization, there is a big platform to showcase your skills, a big platform to show what you can do, to sell your products, so that people can come to you for more, people can come for you, and you'll be able to get more money from this platform. The next thing is that by getting hot monetization on YouTube, there are certain criteria, threshold, requirement that you need to meet before you can monetize your YouTube channel. You just need 1K subscribers, 4K public watch hours, and then you need to, if you want to monetize it through your short, you need to get 1 million short view in the last 90 days, and 4K watch hours, public watch hours in the last 365 days. So these are the requirements that you need to meet before you cannot monetize your YouTube channel in order to get more money. So before then, after, if you don't have YouTube channel, you just have to decide on the niche that you are going to do. The niche, let me put it in the simplest form, would be like a topic that you are going to base on, where you are going to develop more videos or more content from. Okay, so after getting your niche, all you have to do is just create a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is one of the easiest. Just get your phone, create it, start uploading your videos, and definitely you are going to get someone to call you that he needs the service that you are providing, and you will be getting more money before you get monetized. So YouTube is one of the best platforms that you can make money online. The next thing that I'll talk about in my number 2 is drop shipping. Now let me explain drop shipping in simplest terms. Let's say those, I think I'm Ghana here. Ghana, more people don't even like online shopping. Okay, is something else. So when you talk of drop shipping, many people don't understand, so let me try to use simple terms, layman's idea on drop shipping. So let's say someone has a shop. Okay, so you just go to the shop and then you tell the person that, okay, I'll help you sell your product, so I'll be taking pictures of your product. When I get a customer, I'll call you and then you send the product to the person. Okay, so that is all what dropshipping is about. So the person you are going to do dropshipping, you are just like a middleman. Okay, so you will be, let's say that typical example is that when you go to Facebook Market or gg.com, a whole lot of people are selling different types of product there. Okay, so you just copy the link of this product and show it to your customers or show it on your social media platform. So you have to make sure that when the price is 100 cedis, you also have to put your profit only like 200 or 150. Okay, so when you get a customer and the customer decide to buy the items, you just call or you link up with the owner of the product. Okay, you link up with the owner of the product, then you give the address or every information about your customer. The owner of the product will do the delivery. You're not going to do the delivery, the owner will do the delivery, and then you take your commission out of it. So this is how the drop shipping is all about. So you can try this one and you're able to make a lot of money. But if you have Shopify store, this is one of the best platforms that you can use to do drop shipping by combining linking Shopify store with your Alibaba, so you can sell your products through US, UK, and other foreign countries. So drop shipping is one of the best way that you can make money online. So with this, all these things that I'll show you, you don't need any capital to start. All what you have to do, you need is your mobile phone, your time, and the tactics that you are going to put in place. See you in the next video.